Welcome. And phone is a Nokia 3.1, and I'll show you how to enable the portable hotspot on this device. So to get started, pull down the notification bar to get into the toggles right here, and either it should be visible here, portable hotspot. Let's see, maybe it will be disabled. Yep, it's right here. So you can either drag it and drop it on here to get an additional toggle to have a quicker access to it. So it will be right here. Oh wait, right here. Okay. So as you can see, and you can toggle it on and off once it's set up. And to get into settings, just hold the toggle like so, and you get dropped straight into the settings of this option. So tap on here, portable hotspot, and enable it, which would be basically what the toggle does. But you can also here set up the name. So you can change the name of it. 3.1 Nokia seems fine enough. Security, I would keep it, and then the password. You can set up your own password to make it more convenient. So for instance, I'm gonna set up just some completely simple password. Okay, and once that's ready, you can leave this, for instance. I'll close it, and now we can actually enable it like so. And I'm gonna take my phone right here just to bring it into the view. Enable Wi-Fi. Let's see, let's put that on the view, and it's visible right here, which I can put the super complex password in and connect, and I'll be able to use this device's network on my other phone, for instance, just to share it. Although there is no SIM card, so there won't be any actual network here. That's why there's an exclamation mark, but that's how we would do it. And if you want to disable it because, for instance, you're done sharing it and you don't need it anymore, it will consume a little bit more battery, so just tap on it to disable it, and now it's off. That is basically the simple way to enable and disable and also set it up. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.